To create three instances of WhatsApp, first of all, you need to install the WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. As you can see, I have already a WhatsApp installed here. So this is my first WhatsApp, and after that you need to follow these steps to create a second instance. Go to setting, and then you need to scroll down and click on advanced features. After that, find messenger, and then click on here, enable the setting WhatsApp app. Now you have two instances of WhatsApp. You can use two instance, and here you enable the list, contact list for the second instance if you want. So this is how you can create a second instance. Now you can see that on dashboard there's two instance. Now we have two instance. Let me open the first instance. So this is the first instance of WhatsApp, and this is the second instance. So you can see that both are working fine. So after that we will going to create a third instance of WhatsApp. So for this we need to use secure folder on Samsung Mobile. So open this secure folder and add WhatsApp from here. You can download WhatsApp from Play Store, or you can either select WhatsApp from these apps. Now I already install this thing, and you can see this is the third app. And let me open. You can see that this is the third instance of the WhatsApp. This is how we can use three instances of WhatsApp.